Greetings and welcome to the video introduction to Chapter Guide 6 of Chemistry 223, and I'm really glad to have you here. Okay, this is a week of last problem sets, last quizzes, last labs, all kinds of stuff. So hang on, we're just about through the term. This last section is basically split into two different chapters. The first chapter is probably going to be pretty much an overview of things you've seen since Chem 221, and it'll help you to remember some of the important concepts as we get ready for the final exam. But the second chapter is probably new. It'll be on the nomenclature of coordination complexes. These are basically fancy inorganic materials that have lots of different ligands around them. Now, ligands, coordination compounds, and stuff sounds kind of scary, but really all it is Lewis acid centers, which is basically transition metals at its center, with Lewis bases around, things that donate electrons. This section they call them ligands, but they're really just Lewis bases. So keep remembering that. So when the Lewis base interacts with the transition metal Lewis acid, that's when you create these coordination compounds, and they're pretty cool. The nomenclature is a little strange. They're very, very long names, but I'll talk to you about how to break it up into different smaller parts so you can make sense of these things and figure out the formulas or turn formulas into name for that matter. We'll also talk real briefly about isomers when it comes to inorganic compounds. There's some pretty interesting things. We'll extend our cis-trans understanding from Chem 222 and organic chemistry into things like Mer and FAC, and we'll even look at optical isomers. Pretty wild stuff. If you have any questions on this or anything else, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm more than happy to help. Have a wonderful day.